Mr. Sanjay Shettinawar says that he read the word bakasrat as bakashrat. In fact, he read say as sheen. Yes, Mr. Shettinawar, one may get confused with this style of fonts. Here, this say may be confused for sheen. So let's change the style of font. This is another font. Here you can clearly say be kaf se re te bakasrat. In fact, this problem can be solved if you know a lot of words. So for knowing a lot of words, you need to read a lot. The more you read, the more you will get acquainted with the words, and then you will not get confused. So the only solution and the suggestion is that read a lot.